my package arrived safely and quickly via FedEx. And this video is done in collaboration with QVR, Queen Virgin Remy. This is actually my second time working with this brand. As you can see, the box is pink with red lettering, Queen Virgin Remy. Let's see what's inside. I'm always excited to get new hair, aren't you? Okay, first thing, we have a thank you card. It says, best human hair, strength, influence, confidence. This is where our story begins. And they also have like all their socials and the QR code, which you can scan. A card with details of the wig, which we'll go over in a minute. The wig, of course, and also a stocking cap is included. So this is the 3-in-1 half wig. It's in the twist kinky curly texture human hair, and it is in the 1B color, and the length is 18 inches. Density is 210. I'm just taking off the protective netting and then gonna cut off, the elastic tying the tag also. Straight out the box, I really like the texture. This is, again, a kinky curly texture that you can twist, do a nice twist out with, and so many versatile styles. Anyway, on the inside, you see there are 3 combs in the front, and then this wide band, very comfortable looking wide band to adjust the wig, and also a pull string or drawstring, which you can tighten the wig with, or you can turn it into a ponytail. Yep. So I love these like 3-in-1 wigs. They're so versatile. Okay, so like I do with all my wigs or hair, I'm going to go ahead and dunk it in some warm water. So nothing in the water, just water, because I want the curls to pop, but I also want to see how the hair reacts to water and, if there's any residue. So here we are 20 minutes later. 20 minutes later, nothing in the water that I've added. You can see the color. So this is typical with a lot of the, processed human hair. And so I'm just going to go ahead and change the water and go ahead and shampoo the hair. So yeah, clean water. I'm going to shampoo and condition the hair. And then we'll be ready to style it. Okay, here we are, barefaced, because I got to show you realistically where I started. Hey girl. If you're new here, my name is Habiba. I make lifestyle videos. This is like a no niche channel, and I do cooking, I do some medicine, I do all kinds of stuff, including today's hair tutorial. So this is the mess in front of me. Let's go ahead and do my brows. I'm going to speed through this since this is not a makeup tutorial and I want us to focus on the hair. Okay? Yeah, I know I look a little crazy, but you got to trust the process. Hair, makeup, it's a process, right? Take your time, be patient. It all comes together. I'll be right back. I did my makeup. Nothing over the top, just my basic makeup. Ooh, this is a nice tight one. That's good to help compress the hair. Pull it back a little bit. All right, that's good. Let me show you the hair. This is after it's washed. It's nice and fluffy. And soft. And I see there are pieces in the front that are shorter, so I don't know if this wig is meant to be worn with bangs or what. So let's put it on and find out. All right, so first thing I'm doing is locating the band in the back, dead center, to make sure that lines up with the back of my neck, right in the middle. It's that simple. Now I'm wearing a stocking cap today because they included it, but to be honest, you don't need to, especially if your hair is braided down, right? But anyway, you see how easily I plop the wig on my head, secure the combs, and then I'm just going to locate the drawstring or that, pull string and just tighten the wig. And that's literally it. And then tuck, the string underneath the wig so it's not showing or hanging down.
What? I did not realize this was going to be a lot of hair. How much hair this is. What? It's giving Rick James. Rick James. Wait a minute. Okay, so this hair is going to need some adjustment. Maybe a little bit of styling, maybe a little bit of shaping. I mean, it's in a nice shape, but you got to make it yours, right? You got to make it fit your head. When you put it on at first, it's going to look like a wig, but we're going to make it look like me, fit my head. All right, so let's look at it. So first of all, look, this is how much I've kind of left out. And again, I did not do my edges intentionally because I want to know what we're working with.
Sometimes you got to play with the hair a little bit to see what suits you best. So I could have left some of the hair in front, like a side bang, or I can pull it to the side, and tuck it behind my ear. So the longer I have it on my head, the more it grows on me. And I'm like, okay, I see the shape. I get it. Now let's do the first style, because keep in mind, this is a 3-in-1 wig. You should be able to do 3 distinct different things with it. So this is how you turn it into a headband wig. Just add a headband and boom, you see? So I could see wearing this on vacation if I didn't want to worry about my hairline, or if I wanted to cover up my hairline, or if you just don't have any edges. You could certainly wear the headband like this in front of the wig and it looks perfect, okay? So yeah, you can push it back if you want to, but I just wanted to show you, you don't have to. And again, this is 18 inches, so you can get it shorter if you prefer. But yeah, it feels super natural. But then again, this is human hair, so why wouldn't it? Synthetic hair could never. Keep in mind, you can use this, you can keep reusing it, you can use it when you don't feel like doing your hair. Hello, we're in the Caribbean right now. Where are my Caribbean sisters? I see you. Okay, let's try a different style. I'm just going to go ahead and take off the wig and add a little bit of water to my very dry, crusty hair, especially my edges. So I'm just pulling out a little bit of hair. You see that, right? Very small amounts along my hairline. Just enough hair to cover the demarcation of my hair or my hairline and the wig, because I want this to have the look of a sew-in, without having to go to the salon for a sew-in, or without having to worry about my natural hair under a sew-in. Here I have access to my scalp. Anyway, you can see there's a little bit of shedding from the wig. Not too bad. We can afford to lose a few strands because this is a lot of hair. So now I'm going to try to blend my natural kinky type 4 hair with the wig.
This is what it looks like with 0 product on my hair, okay? 0. So to blend it, I'm gonna add a little bit of Shine and Jam, and I just got a new one. You would have seen that if you're seeing my shorts. So just take some Shine and Jam and then put it in the front of my hair. Put it on my hair so it takes a similar texture. Raking your hair into the extensions really help once you've sprayed it with a little bit of water and added a little bit of Shine and Jam. But you want to kick it up a notch? You want it to be completely believable? You need the super strong basket leather edge control. I don't know how many times I'm going to tell you this. Y'all not listening. Not listening. Your edges need to match the hair you have on your head, or else it's too obvious. So to make it match, we hit it with the Baskin lather.
And I definitely consider this a good protective style because I am not applying any heat. Remember, there's no heat added to my hair, my natural hair. So I'm just blending my natural hair with the wig using a few products.
Now, are you with me?
There you go, style number 2. No lace, no glue needed, just a few styling products and a spray bottle of water. That's all that's in that bottle, water. And there you go. I feel like I have a sew-in, or I feel like, hey, this could really be my hair. Why not? I love the versatility of a 3-in-1 wig or a half wig, and then at night you have access to your scalp and you get to take it off. Cool. Style number 3, I'm starting off with a simple bun. I've pulled my hair back and I've tucked my bun in the back. And it's neat, it's cute, but it's kind of meh. I need a little bit more spice, more flavor, okay? So now we have turned the wig into a full ponytail. Literally, all I have done is put the wig around my bun and tightened it with the drawstring. Remember that drawstring? If you pull it tight, it will sit around your bun. And also I've used some of the hair, I've used it to wrap around my bun to double secure it, okay? So for the right occasion, this could look really cute, don't you think? It's a lot of hair though. It's a lot of hair, but it could be very cute. It's a look. It's a look. What do you think? Okay, let's give you a little bonus style, right? I said you could get 3 looks, but you could definitely do much more than that. So I'm just twisting some of my hair with some of the hair from the wig, twisting that together, and then I'm just going to pin it so that I have this pulled up look on one side. I really like this look. And so yeah, just put an accessory of your choice, some sort of hair accessory or just a hair grip. So another option is to actually braid your hair. Braid your hair, like nice braids in the front, and then add the half wig to the middle of your head or, 3/4 the way. And that could be a look too. So yeah, some nice cornrows and then the half wig. Okay, so my signature look typically is to roll both sides of my hair together with the hair from the wig and then pull that both up. It's giving what, half up, half down, sort of. But doesn't that look cute? So yeah, so many different styles you can try with a half wig or with this 3-in-1 half wig. And again, this is the Twist Kinky Curly Human hair wig in 1B. You can choose a different length if you like, or different texture, because I know QVR carries different textures like Kinky Straight, and they also carry a lot of like Afro bulk hair or hair for crochet, human hair for crochet, or different colors. I mean, the choices are infinite, but I really do enjoy this hair, and it blends even better when you add a little bit of gel or some sort of product to your natural hair, assuming your natural hair is, unprocessed. So yeah, you can see you can do a twist or do a twist out with this hair or braid out, whatever you like. And you see how easy it is to undo the style and switch it up for something else. So, by the way, happy birthday to all the Leos out there. It's Leo season and we love big hair, right? And we look forward to welcoming all the Virgos soon. But yeah, big hair don't care. Again, all the information about this hair is in the description box. And of course, use my discount code so you can save some money. Hello. That's it, folks. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this install or this hair tutorial. And don't forget to leave your comments below and leave me a thumbs up, please. It really helps the channel. And again, check the description box. Bye.